Okay, this is the sample video for the OpenVINS. And first, we click here, simulate the smoke test and connect to the WSL using the distribution. And you can use the 22. Now, it's connecting now. It's setting up the WSL distro. Ubuntu 22 and wait for some time. To make the video more simple and smaller, I will pause some time and to show the final result. And now it is the WSL screen, and you can click here to open the AI pane and chat with the AI models. Now the first, we want to pull the Docker image here, and we can see pull this Docker image and waiting for the result. Okay, sometimes you will find the permissions denied. It's a very strange problem. So let's ask the AI model. Please. So this time maybe you should follow his methods to add your username to the Docker group, and I have added, and I will say I have added the user to Docker. Please do again. Yes, very strange. I have no idea about this, but it will try another way. I find you should. Okay. Should shut down. Okay, let's do it. Shut down. Oh, no, here. Sorry. Shut down. Okay, set up again. And now let's see. Okay, please pull image. Okay, successful. Right, okay, it's successful. Still with your problem, and you can do the same way as me at when you meet some problems. Now, some tips about the OpenVINS. We need the RVIZ, GUI, and the X11. So now run this Docker image, and I will use the RVIZ in this Docker. Please check both use WSL2 and Docker and this Docker if they will use the VIZ successfully. Yep. You can find it's the air models. Find the Docker. We'll use the GUI configuration. Here, and here finding. Okay, finding. No. The WS2. The WSG. Okay, here's running. Finding the problem. Okay, the Docker running, and I find the Qt, the GUI, the GUI tools, and the X11 is connecting. Okay, here. Hey, it's over. Okay, fine. So it teaches you how to enter the container and open the VIZ. So let's see. The same way as the smoke test, you can attach here. You can see this one. The name is named here. You make the name and the roast to RVS dev, and you can tell him to change your name or set the name at the first in the prompt. So click here and enter. Now we're in the Docker environment and waiting for the setup. And still there. Click here to open the air pane. Okay. Pane. And also you can open the folders. You can find the folders in the Docker, and you can see all the folder. Usually we will put the project in the home, and you can see the projects here. Okay, let's check. And in the Docker, we first check the roles spec, roles topic, and RVIZ status and accessibility. Okay, let's check. Let the cursor check it, and to confirm that we will run the project successfully. It's checking. And also, if you use a very empty Docker system, you should install and take the environment to do the project, so you can let the cursor to help you and install the dependencies. That's here. Okay. RVIZ, okay. It's fine. Now, the important point, run the OpenVINS project completely. Okay, just this prompt. We are finding the project, and after you are familiar with the cursor, you can use the open folder and find the project and open it, and then you can use the AI models more easily to find the project and do not waste the time to find the project and just do it. Yeah. Here you can find our data set, meaning the home, Hong Kong Airport, GNSS 03, rows 2 here. That's the, you can see here. Okay. You can see here the Hong Kong Airport during the 03, the point back. This is the data set from the Hong Kong U Mars data set. You can use the same way, download the other data set and use the cursor help you to run the OpenVINS by your data set. Okay, you can find the RVIZ here. The visualization and the RVIZ is successful. I see nothing because the topic is not published. Okay, it's running the rollback. Okay, we can close one here. We can see the camera data. And the camera. Okay, you can see the UAV. Oh, it's flying. Okay. But you can see the tradition is very strange. Now you can see the camera is down and top. Here it fly out. Yeah. Okay. Just a sample. And close it. Now yeah, you can find the project is running. You can see all the informations, right? Now it's the other important point that you should to edit the parameters and make the tradition and the camera line that you can see. I think I feel the first time to use the cursor, you can say, I find, you can chat with him, and I find the Chinese different from camera. Why? Just why? And how to make it better. Okay, now you'll find the cursor tell you that the problem, the analyst about the find some parameters you should to edit, and you can let him to try, but maybe it's not very accuracy. So you can accept, and see what will happen. You can follow it or ask him to give you more informations to how to do this by yourself or by the cursor. Yeah. Okay, and running again. And also you can okay. Running again. The camera. Waiting for the rollback. Rollback is running. Okay, camera is running. Flying. Okay, you can see the running. Oh, better now. Flying. Yeah, but you will see still have some problem. If I have close. So it will tell you how to do that. The camera to IMU, the camera internal parameters, the time, the ground truth, still improve. You can still let him improve, but you should find the exactly position and know how to improve it. And you can ask him about this. Let's do it later. Oh, it's still running. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Sometimes it will make it better, make it bad. So now you should ask him which file to edit, and I can improve the performance. Why and how to edit them. If you don't want him to edit again, just ask. You can change to the ask. You can stop it. Skip. You can just skip, stop, and ask him. You can see this YAML file, the camera to IMU, the external parameter, the most important, and the estimator config. Okay, this is the running, just a sample for the running, and now can tell him to another tip. If you want to start another topic, you can click here to new chat, and it will in the history record, and you can back to here anytime. You can see by the evaluate now you can see we are still in the ask mode, and we can switch back to the agent. You can see it will give you the commands and give you the methods. Now you can see continue to evaluate by OpenVINS. It's running, and you will find some a little point like this place. You can find OpenVINS is still running. This is the problem in the engineering, and when you stop trying to use a tool, you should kill it. Yeah, you should kill it immediately. and this is an experience you will have, and you will check this to find it, and you will know in future work you can at this place you can prompt, you can say please kill the like the OpenVINS now, and it will help you to kill it and stop it, and now then start the evaluation. Okay, rollback is running, and then waiting for the evaluation from the OpenVINS. We'll run the 60 seconds to evaluate. Info. We can click here, open in external terminal, and we'll find this place. Yeah, it's also found some problems. Okay, just wait. And sometimes you will find the command is running for a long time. You can stop it, and to check this problem by yourself. Deal with this problem and run the evaluation. Things again. Okay, you can find it collect the 450 polls, and now it's doing the evaluation. You can see the report here, pulses, and the second, the frequency, and the result. You can find it had a very hard problem. It will give you some tips to deal with this. So now you can find the 3 YAMLs like the before tips, in here, yeah, in here, here. So that's what you should do, and you will try the other parameter values and to deal with the problem, make this better. And we will give you the report template, and you can use it to do the let the AI models to do the report, and to see what's your OpenVINS the performance. Okay, bye.